Good afternoon.
George.
Yeah.
Me pachonka bibia.
So ni Amanda.
Me pachoni.
And I'm very sure, sir, you knew what transpired between Amanda and George.
Pacho, who are you?
My office is Amanda.
Okay.
And I strongly believe George is a woman. Isn't it?
Pacho, yeah, now for me can't say anything.
Okay. And I wouldn't need a cost between me and you. How are George at me a tree me office and condemn? And then I hear you be biana at the end of the day, no, what dog you know, assign echo fenny puff. So winning, maybe so. At the end of why I found, as you call yourself a friend and a brother, a foot to bang and an out the man.
Penny, idiot. Menena kasa bebre. Nuanom anaase na afo no nkyeze me kasa che ni bi obeti. Ma tuni fo me di faso no de afofo me de fafom no de afaso. Menena kasa so the okay is something new to me. Me nim de ekoso omontam sisi say mu yese mu nye. I don't have any idea about it. It's no senka no wa ha na nka obisa na nka. Wa you no.
So we did the same thing for cancer be say e kan kuma na kakokonti.
When say be so na nkruma na nda nkonkonte so na bi da fu so a. I don't have any idea. Today can my friend in Brananka or in Casa. Menena Casa.
Not just from your cousin or inside, right?
Is there here.
Friend mommy.
George. 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 What's your wages? What's that? Yes.
I'm here again. According to second law of motion, a body will continue to be at rest until external force act upon it. I believe you know that. Well, what's the sound happening? A family warfare say Amanda home. And I still would say what tinakuma na meme ko bobu sin ye. When you sit somewhere enjoy your life, isn't it?
Native, please. Boss, I did this case not only say.
Unim say asansa fa de odichere. But you took my niece and use it anyhow you want.
Asansa no fan of
what did neighbor fear ebe you when him chere say one ne nam.
Asansa so fan for papa bia. Asansa nam ne ba bi na. Asansa ne di nkomo na wo facility as. Nti asansa de san ko ni for. Na wo so obusa de wo facility. Oh, as I would have time, I say, they all end the embacho.
May what fascinate then to that extent for you to treat her like that. A dear partner, why Abra or no din one mount for you to enjoy. You are not telling me something beside your wire. Is she the one living you or you are the one living her?
Native doctor, please, you need to ask your whether your niece or your nephew or anyhow you call her. Because the old canon send you see baby fear and me minimum greeny. And send you see threat me no. What the mechanism at this and numbered. Wait, as some okay, better on police factor. Yes.
And let me tell you, whenever I'm going to do to you spiritually, you will take the evidence to the police station for me to be arrested. If you have that evidence, I have no problem. You will say, me be jam what you soon anyhow, right? If you are killing her emotionally, I am also going to kill you spiritually.
Sure.
You can mark it on the wall. Look, medical bahama meto. Menena kasa bebre, but it looks like he's still undermined. What I need from you, they say you go back to my niece, reconcile with her, take her back, let her enjoy life. Many who say on so on fast instead of you using her like a cabbage. If you're able to do this, I have no problem with you. But if not, I'll show you where the power lies.
So are you threatening him?
Where threat means?
You said his days are numbered. So it's a threat. Say 20 days, say 30 days, who knows? It's all threatening.
Yes. The me here on one say, Obesan go back to Amanda, amends things, and live with her again. Ne echi obefie be ya mamre kwanso. Ultimate for be this year anyhow, use anyhow, and dump that person, and you think that is the end of the world.
You shouldn't be seeing what he said because it's not nice. Also, we're penning. Say, dear Drew now. No.
You told who say akora. Abro timi horo ne nsa ho timi ni mpanyfo didi.
So asema entrance nya obetrene nkasa.
I'm cool with that. I love that. Say entrance in kasa. This is the second time that I am coming to talk to him, but he's still not listening. And to say wo betimi na kan bibi ma na adwene abafie na or settle with a man, and that is what I'm looking for.
First time meeting me too. So also back from me kra me gina mo me neutral. Yes, wo nya obetrene. You can say o threaten o manim. So
for the benefit of the doubt, I'm giving you that opportunity.
Yes.
I'm listening to you because from the look of things, I say, "Oh, adwene wo fie." Yeah, you are more sensible. Yet
not that.
You have that sense of humor. I will be good. So I'm leaving, as I said. And then the last day that you are seeing me, if I don't see you with her in a happy mood, this world will not contain us. And the 7 days that makes a week will be just a day for you.
Of course. Your life is like a calendar because you see me date.
Only Drew Nicapre.
Hey, George.
Ubi over Drew Biancasa PC. Also Casa.
George. Sheo, ya George.
But Jina Casasa, me who can be artist cry.
Yao, Sheo, who are contact as artist.
Say Lumba coin is Ubia than Lumba.
There will be a bonnet.
Ah, this will be a Lumba door so crowded.
As a Lumba look alike.
Oh, Charlie, Obejina Becassa, who said in the Panae. Who can ask Masamasae to me for. Me
now, dear, be Tatia Becassa Bias in between my foot to the Unia.
Assembly.
How many times I'm known Casa? My catcher is so piece of one in German than one. She need trust and in Casaboko. And they say, no, so the once I know of Abem. And I mean, I'm Gina is saying, Caribbean Cadibi senior. What much you to Kraken?
Also a native doctor.
Oh, Crobers.
And I become minimum.
No, Musano.
Native doctor now, no address a camasa.
You dear, for life, dear, when Kwana ever could be when you know about what to Chachao. See, your life is at risk and no catch it on. Now the original also come for. Only a drew, but also by such as any spiritual.
Was there was native now into
the spiritual no near drew. One no native doctor no near drew, Nishi. We know
native doctor spiritual as a baby.
Massa.
Native doctor no baby.
On and yes, on no native doctor.
Central one patch we say, oh, native doctor.
We don't need native doctor. See me in common would teachers or over for baby. It will not so down so now show ye. Amanda no friend breath yan and in casa. Uti, what interest me who they may. Ye can now, mamma, who they may, who they may, So what are you going to do? Huh? What are you going to do?
I'll do it from me.
So you need to involve me. Nam small bem nam na casa.
Involve you for what?
For what? Okay, solve it yourself, bro. Mate why? No stress. Tu fubia unti. You know casa bia fa na se ma asem de e hu hia. Minim nipa wa ankasa wo George we. So, e de obehuni.
How are you? I'm also good. Babe, so she are wearing a position. I'm selling your man.
Oh, Bigusu, I don't mean that. Bigusu to do. see I'm because station going now. Even not for George because see I'm in the food.
That Rasta.
Miss say the one now but he's also cool. And then I think that he's very close to doing it. Okay, baby. Now he likes you out.
Oh, okay. Didn't you a baby and no better than Hannah? Kofi, let me show what you say. My today,
Wow.
I saw supporting the plan. I like that. We promise you, sir, man. Something big is coming. Okay? It's you just want to come up. Babe, I did have a person to catch you on this. I don't know what is going on. Meaning you want, but then I want to. Oh no, meaning say I'm massa, but I said the catch you. What I said.
Me make a good
Guys, am I the magic to decide anytime about that?
There's no imagination. I'm there for business and business is it.
Okay, that's fine. Person catch your coffee, so mama said, babe, but the shop on the mountain we are. After that, I'm going now. The mountain I got. I fly, yeah. I walk to Canada and America.
Sir?
Oh yeah.
You don't mean it.
I'm not joking. I'm a big man.
I'll be so glad.
Yeah. I'm a big man. That's it. I approach the idea. So that's it. It's a big. They make kind of seminar session. From Matsuaba, down low level, away side in the diamond. Don't worry. I hold you. You have everything. I mean, maybe you I did a million percent. About me, one is what could do my taxi driver. Can you?
I mean, the moon will
But babe, I think this one, the end of what I say, will be Uncle Baby and Cooper. I mean, I put Bush Canteen. I mean,
Oh yeah, yeah, but my bill no. Yeah, call for bill. If I don't hear.
Wahala.
Catch it on our woman. Say, hey, my calf. I need a calf in Yasa Sash. Hey,
Now, we are Madame.
but he's so happy. So, we say this deal by the best succeed. So, the new shoes. Okay.
This one's for you.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
Oh, I'm fine.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sorry.
How are you?
Hello.
That's my friend.
You are ready. What you want to man?
Baby, you're here, fine. That's my friend Frank. Frank, that's Calf.
Hi.
Cafe, I'm Frank.
I'm Cup.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Thank you.
The Sunday today, Madam for Paya.
Oh, okay.
Good. But also your kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm small. Tene, when you ring say, bye. Hey, quickly. But your boss, you are not actually. But you go to be.
Oh, they be on country. I saw I'm feeling okay.
That's what it.
Sanka we dey kan ye bia o hwe maka me nche pi bet me no dey ntu akasa ma che sa de nsan ya na
That's a pipe.
we ne we di wa bre
Jomo
o
kwa ba.
we di wa bre papa because we adwuma ho
What does it mean?
o say
Sesen.
so wa bre
My brother sesen.
na mo be dey mo be twa pictures na be dey
Na studio, Sandra ni na dan funi no say o de ne be chiam keke.
na ye dey
For visiting.
to me no be e be visit o
Sandra na be visiting me ba na dan funi.
no no yon ko kan ba madam let say
Say fan calf.
I don't problem on the
Kura de
human
mo
No,
kura.
she's fine. She's
that's also the human
She's
and
fine.
on your comfortable
Yes,
Nitia
it's
ni
here.
ya.
na say dan ko wuram na abonti no be gina be yi say
Nitia.
Facility ni ya. Ama me man do so as e o te de.
Oh, you be
Okay.
Frank
Unia.
I say we do achiri kura
Me ko hin.
o say there wagin samu awi
Sesen.
o na say sister wagin samu na nu so wagin samu
Ada we bibi.
Ne un cry mo jo.
me ho yo na say minim de mekeka
Kaza na nsem de say ya mo me.
na say minim de mekeka mbo a
Me si o mo.
what me de ma mienu awura dem awi
Akoye den.
obra drivers e wo station
Jimmy na wo station me fa ho be ya.
me station your station
Asebe na o say drivers wo station.
okay
What are you trying to say?
I'm just trying to say he's so no one say what me the mam you know awura dem awie na ono ni colleagues egu station here adwuma
But okay, say the mommy no rather more. What do you mean by that?
unim madam ya we so puso wu kura betimi awu
What do you
why
mean by that?
because send there was so ahwene so ano
That's
no
how you are.
ya ne atie nipa
George.
and obi afro ha obi afro ha say me ma invite you
No, what is going on? Excuse me.
da bi unti ma gina obi fie ma gina obi animu ma so ahwene ti say there ase ne atie nipa Well, next time unya ni see afako hotel. Next time,
excuse me.
Uche unya ni mienu see afako hotel.
Me dey ko hotel akoye.
Why?
No,
Na semba.
wait.
I'm
de wo ye no na nipa nya.
When
No,
that
wait. What are you trying to insinuate?
I'm
What
trying
is your
to
chest saying?
insinuate what you come and do in the room. That is what I'm trying to
So what are you
insinuate.
thinking?
And what did you come and do?
Obe so chest say ye ni na beda na I don't understand. What are you
Sister,
trying
been
to say?
kind na so won't have wa boso. Won't have wa boso.
No, on a more serious note.
Now, Frank.
Listen. On a more serious note, it's getting out of hand. This
Sure.
friend, the disrespect is too much. I will not take it next time.
Share the watch there.
Ade,
You two that disrespect.
Ade.
I'm disrespect
I
for
don't
you.
understand. Ade, ever since anybody so on pema se
Oh,
bi,
to
also we don't kaka ensem me why?
Share the watch there. Oh,
Mr. Man,
what if I?
excuse me,
Me
Mr. Man.
pe bi ati pa hepa o.
Oh, say no.
Share.
It's okay.
Share.
Say
It's okay.
Pacho what?
Aro ebroni ana.
Seriously, I don't like this your friend.
Sandra, I'm sorry.
You two, I don't like what do me better. What do me no be
I know you don't like me.
Frank, and I make it.
I know you don't
Say
like
one more for phobia from go hotel. I'm telling you.
Me buy say why? Calf. So mo
Share.
track and why?
Let's go.
Madam for him so pay me.
Ah.
Hey Frank,
You.
we heavy. You go you na beka. Now you know
Me say.
I you know Hey Frank, why you here Frank? Obi work about so. Hey, we are both be here adwuma workers drivers will be here adwuma no. What the man you say them. And my kukura be me now so. Oh yeah, Teresom.
Yeah, giant.
Oh yeah, Teresom.
Teresom say.
No me no kan wa, o kan wa 3. Teresom.
Charlie.
Frank what say that be?
Oh, Judge me no na me say den.
Now inside to me man you no brother me
You
wia.
want no yes so den na dan fo ba be sra mo ko ba bi o mo fa. Me kwa me nim say girl no.
Da bia oba bes, o ba wi da bia oba besra wo.
Charlie girl no anya me bibia ne Sandra. Na me dey ma abena ho.
Frank, me dey me kan o. Won say eduru ba bi na na otumi fo. Na o fa me say me nim dey me ye no wi ase. Ba say ba bia duru no. Se nipa me ma Frank o be say o.
Heavy.
O heavy.
Tupa.
Unya ne.
Minya ne anya me dia o.
Na dia.
Guy da djuma na one ne nam.
Say won nada.
Oh, me no bi anda, me no nada say. Any first ne dia ke bi aka me dia djuma fa. Ah, ke bi a me na ne gum.
Yo, me dey. Ayi,
Ejan kutu.
me ko fa ye fe ne say me ko isregu ho ko fa ayi.
O go fine.
Sikani ni ba no.
Skedi ba dey.
Oh, sikani your tea isregu.
Escafu ati isle go yin wetima aka.
Oh, ayi Mr. Ike.
Ike wen.
Unim no. Ike, ye
Federal presenter.
I
Ike dey say etu an ka 6 million.
I don't predict. Say
Onya skada be.
I will grow until say
Ike grow.
o mo be fan ba
Angel.
free fi ah.
Ike no mo bi be fa do
Be
be
free fi ah.
Atoka.
Ose,
Otoka.
otoka nka me kwa fa ne ba. Ose, tresom ne se wa adwen.
Tresom say.
Ti mi no ma mienu. Na wo mfere wo mpo. Wo no obi da na obi hwa wo mfere. Unim, baby odro no. Uti baby odro no. Obi antimi ntufu bi mo.
Midi agontu sa agro kwa na midi.
Ana me kase baby odro no obi antimi ntufu bi mo.
Me chese yi nipa nya nkura bi mti wo be jam life on jam life.
Wadumra utimi ro to na oba foforo da na oba ba ko tinchen no.
Me ma ro mo to no ba wo fro da.
Ode koso na ji oni owiase sa na wiase be ko na wiye. Ai.
Eno na
Koso na ji wani owiase.
Na so wonim.
Meminim.
Experience is the best teacher. Wonim.
Na oni obi oni ma enu da. Ba ko hwe ho na ba ko na.
Na so wonim.
Meminim.
Na so ye bi.
Yo, tra na de minim. Found life dia grow say ye.
To na de heavy.
O say kwara be. Lesa me wa bra de mi nya no nyina achi no. O ye tresom. Wonya pono kro betimi atwa. Bowi. Ba bia wa duro sisi a wa brabo mu no bibia ni wa. E betimi na adwan sa firi ma ho. Get back kono count dia minim on dia se minim nanim. Frank. Bra. Bra. Ai dia ne tuka kaka no. Oye de adwuma.
Minim no. Sanra nam nim adonim no.
Ese.
Onim na. O sia no apu bi so ana.
Ontwa yi.
Den.
Wona wo hade no bitwa.
Na wo betwa den say. Wo betwa den.
Ase me hunu kasa yi
bi. O sia no apu no so ana.
Enya apu no so betime hunu.
O de hook up apu no say delete. O sa apu de go for so delete.
No say sere mo he.
Biti delete sa apu.
You see what say you, Frank?
Wo so what say you jeji bi no. Wo so what say.
Uti ni mami no da bom.
Aba ko yere.
Frank Yesu ba kura no kasa o de eboni ayi nyina bia chewo. Na mum mame hwe de oni mami no ye ne dem a obetimi ama Yesu.
Na wo ye funny. Me ma Yesu ai dey. Style sakese, style bia wo ne bia what titi o.
Yo, uji mu no.
Understand music. Understand music.
Who is my Frankie fee?
What of Frankie fee? Ah? How?
My Frankie fee, a running them, a pie. I'm like George, I bet you say, give me a pie for them.
Ah, Frank.
Annie.
Babe, how? I mean, we are there called Frank.
And then master planner, no, you know. Master planner, no. Original check.
I'm
telling you.
Are you serious?
Of course.
Only minimum so obey your job, no, but minimum so obey banner.
Come
on.
Sorry, gotcha.
Yes, what tea?
Some bush be.
Oh.
Yes, kiosk. I'm not material.
Hey.
Now we are doing for you.
Let me say it's Legon here.
It's Legon here.
Yeah, she share near you.
She said you may simple.
William, main Kasabi. As a promise, na yard box. That's what I say. I say, on chilling come for but at the end, I'm more in the summer person. Babe. And I'm on a witch.
I don't know.
William, you're going to be. I don't want to talk much.
I know what you can do.
What did I say?
Make it a crown.